Okay, now let's welcome our next company. Our next company is called Ningbo YOURLONG Lighting Company. Hello. Hello, Mr. Zhang. Hello, nice to meet you. May I have your English name?
My name is Sky. SKY.
Gap.
Sky.
Skype.
Yes, Sky.
Welcome, Skype. So you could have 15 minutes to present your company and product. So here you go.
Okay. Firstly, I will introduce my company. Our company is a specialized manufacturer of outdoor lights in Ningbo. After 13 years development, we have an R&D team of 5 persons, a production team of 5 QCs, and 60 workers, who will ensure the good quality and timely delivery for customers. Besides, we built our own direct sales team in 2015 with independent R&D center, testing laboratory, automatic machines, and organized marketing. Our technical team, production team, and the sales team are committed to provide the best package of LED lighting solution for customers.
Sorry, Sky. I would like to interrupt just a minute. Sorry. I think it might be because you connect with the Bluetooth earphone. So the sounds wasn't very clear to us. Would you mind turn off the Bluetooth earphone and we try again? Because it's very hard for us to hear you.
Bluetooth. Okay.
Take your time.
And in order to bring the added, is that okay? No?
It's still the same. I think it's because the Bluetooth earphone. Because I used to have the same problem.
这个好像有点声音有点轻。
Or maybe it's because the microphone. So maybe we could just use the cell phone. I think just the cell phone is good.
Wait for a moment.
Let's try again. Welcome, Sky. So let's try again. So I saw you were specialized in street light and flat lighting. We are ready for your presentation, and we are desired to know more about you and about your company.
But if I don't use the cell phone, I can't hear you.
Oh, I see. So maybe we try using the earphone, but we try to turn off the microphone. Just try not use the mic.
And how about I give the presentation and at last you ask me the question, okay?
Yeah, for sure. I wonder maybe you could just show us your product, and because we want to see more about your product.
Okay.
So that we could know more about and we could ask some questions.
Okay, no problem. So I will introduce our product. Firstly, I will introduce the our UFO. This is our diamond UFO. First of all, I want to talk about product design inspiration. It's mainly from the following 3 aspects. First is the diamond cutting service. Gives people a tough and high-end feeling. but also show up suite of diamond-like product quality. This is our design patent. The second is the innovative function of the switching lens. The lens can be rotated at 3 angles, 60 degree, 90 degree, and 120 degree. This is our utility model patent. The third is the turbine shaped radiator. This design is inspired by the turbine of the two wings of the aircraft. When the impeller rotates, it can accelerate the air circulation and promote the heat dissipation. Comparing to previous linear-shaped housing, this turbo design can improve the heat dissipation efficiency by 20% to 30%, and the lifetime can be extended by 20% to 30% as well. The diamond has two sizes. One is diameter 340 millimeter, designed for 100 to 200 wattage. The other size is diameter 441 millimeter, designed for 240 watts and 300 watts. We can match for both with drive solution and DOV solution. With drive solution, we cooperate with Samsung and Leaford with 5 years warranty. The voltage range is 110 to 305, and the lumen efficiency is about 160 lumen port. DOV solution is our own solution for 3 years warranty. The voltage range is 220 to 240, and the lumen efficiency is about 110. For diamond, we have the CE, CB, and ROS certifications from TV. And this is the diamond UFO.
So as your voice is really very small, it's very hard to hear, so I will help you repeat. YOURLONG Lighting have the certificate for CE, CB, and ROS. And you have 2 items that introduced to us just now. There were 300 OD and 400 OD. The 300 size one that with the voltage available for 120 to 220, and the 400 one that with the wattage available for 240 to 300. So I helping you to repeat the specs so our client that they could hear you, because your voice is a little bit low, that hard for us to hearing. And you also mentioned about your lumen is with higher output.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So we could start for the next item, and you could a little bit slowly so I could repeat that our client can hear.
Next, I will introduce another type of the LED heavy light, Typhoon. Typhoon, please, just as its name, the housing design is inspired by the spiral curve of Typhoon. The heat sink design comes from a graceful spiral and the golden curve on the section of the Nautilus shell. The combination of high and low heat dissipation rates show dynamic aesthetic feeling and have perfect heat dissipation performance. There are metal complements between the high heat dissipation rate and the low heat dissipation rate, which greatly increase heat dissipation service. At the same time, adding the aesthetic feeling makes the product a strong sense of design. The core setting of this product is first is the creation. We have the built-in microwave sensor at the center. The induction height is 15 meters. The introduction width is 12 meters. When the objects comes, the light will open automatically, and the light will be dimmed when the object leaves. It will keep 30 seconds, allowing enough time to buffer rather than turning it off. And also with 3-in-1 switching lens structure, IP65 solution. This is our design patent and the utility model patent. Second is a functional, multifunctional combination. The microwave sensor is optional, and we also have the with drive solution and the DLV solution available. We have a variety of professional lens options. The 3-in-1 degree lens, fixed angle lens, usually less than 19 lens, and flat glass available. This truly realizes a multi-purpose DIY function, which greatly reduces your stock and boosts your sales. We have full range power from 150, 200, and 240 watts in 2 housing size. 100 to 200 watts shares one size, and 240 is the bigger size. We use Samsung 2835, So 2835, Philips 3030, and Highlight Sign 2835, and the brand drivers like Meanwhile, Songsun, and Leafwood with 5 years guarantee. Lumen output solution is 160 lumen ports. Long lifetime.
Thank you, Sky.
5 years warranty. Yes.
Thank you, Sky. Due to the time limit, maybe we need to leave the new product and the other product to the next time broadcast. We're very thank you to show us your brilliant product. And you mentioned your product is with the sensor and dimmable and with 50 meters. That's very great to us. Can you tell us your phone number so our client can contact you?
My phone number is 1373616 8586.
8586.
Yes.
Okay. So I will repeat for Sky. Sky's number is 10086 137 3616 8586. So you could contact Sky for YOURLONG, the very great product you show us. Thank you so much for today. Hope to see you next time.
Okay, thank you. See you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your show out today.